Mercedes-Benz 2528 easy cone carrier fridge Axor 2528 fridge truck, still in excellent condition. Take Axor with good tires all round. It's ready to work. It's ready to make you money. Ex Fast and Fresh Imperial Logistics. So you're getting these trucks from a reputable company. Mercedes-Benz. Semi-auto. Your driver will enjoy this one. Low mileage. Only 531 on the clock. No oil leak or whatsoever on the gearbox, the engine, the diff. You know these guys, when it comes to quality, they don't play. Their trucks are always well serviced, well looked after. So you're not buying a scrap. You're actually buying a beautiful truck that will make you money. It's time for you, investor, to invest in your dreams. I'm always preaching about investment because I believe we can create change through investment. It has been done before. We just copy and paste. Look at the Western countries. They are flourishing each and every day because they invested. If you invest, you flourish. That's one thing that I can tell you. Invest. Take this truck to Zambia, Malawi, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, Mozambique. You can even use it local in Durban, Cape Town, carrying a lot of things that need the fridge truck. But you work with me today, investor. You guaranteed to flourish in the future. I'm making millionaires each and every day, selling them the best units. I'll also make you one. You shouldn't fear failure. You actually have to embrace failure, because if you do, believe me, you're on your way to success. Work with me, the best to ever do it. Khaya Mahlangu, 079351 6337. Work with me today.